Hello, I am Anil Verma. What is your name? Hello, uncle. My name is Rohan Nirmalkar. Where do you live? I live in Ratanpur. What is your father's name? My father's name is Mr. Vinod Nirmalkar. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Mrs. Geeta Nirmalkar. What is your father's job? My father is a doctor. And what is your mother? My mother is a housewife. How many brothers do you have? I have only one brother. How many sisters do you have? I have only one sister. What is your brother's name? My brother's name is Rajesh Nirmalkar. And what is your sister's name? My sister's name is Roshni Nirmalkar. How old is your brother? My brother is 14 years old. How old is your sister? My sister is only 10. And how old are you? I am 12 years old. How many people are there in your family? There are 7 members in my family. My parents, my grandparents, my brother, my sister, and me. In which school do you study? I study in Government Middle School Pali. In which class do you study? I am in the 7th standard. How many students are there in your class? There are 45 students in my class. How many students are there in your school? There are 180 students in my school. How many teachers teach at your school? We have 7 teachers at our school. Do you play any games? Yes, I play Kho-Kho and badminton. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is badminton. What are your hobbies? I like singing and drawing pictures. What is your aim in life? I want to become a famous singer. Well, Rohan, nice to meet you. I wish you all the best in life. Thank you, uncle.